Hey yo, what's good guys? It's your boy L.Nontsiko. Umfana wazala inyanga umama kumthakathi umngane wakhe yaloya. Uncle. Hey yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I wrote to 200 likes. Just imagine, bro. Road to 200 likes. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe right now. I'm begging you, please subscribe. Just click that subscribe button only. I'm begging you, just subscribe. Road to 200 subscribers, bro. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you can be notified next time I drop. Without any further ado, let's get to the video. Let's not watch the intro. Let's get to the video. So, because it's a different one, you know what I'm saying? It's a different one. And if you have seen the title, you have seen the thumbnail, I'm going to react to Hlubi's video. Because yesterday, when I was scrolling on TikTok, I saw this clip of Hlubi giving this CPC stars money, and at the end he told them it's a prank, you know what I'm saying? So I'm interested in it. I want to see it. So I haven't watched the video. I just thought, let me react on it, watching it with you, you know what I'm saying? So let's watch the video, you know what I'm saying? Let's watch the video and see the Hlubi's reaction, you know what I'm saying? So so guys, please just subscribe. While I'm busy doing this, just subscribe or like, I don't know, just subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Please guys.
Hey yo, what's going on everybody? It is your boy Almighty Hlubi and welcome to my YouTube.
So guys, as you can see, it is playing 49 minutes. Nah, we won't wait for 49 minutes. So I'm gonna go to the part where he gives them their check, you know what I'm saying? Because that's the main part we are here. So let's get into it. Let me
Hey, I bet guys, so it's payment time. You know what I'm saying? You only went on one ride where you didn't scream. Right, so here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Killing! That's your tower. And then you, one ride also. What? Eh?
Yeah,
two rides.
guys. That's why I was laughing. That's why I wanted to rate on this video. You can see peanuts. Just let me show you some.
Right, so here's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Look at Peanuts, how he's looking at the man. Because Peanuts, he knows money. He can tell. And Ghost, not the real Ghost, but the Ghost from CPC Stars, you know him. He's wearing the black cap, you know what I'm saying? Look at Peanuts and Ghost. They can really tell that it's a fake man. Look at Peanuts' reaction. Just look at Peanuts.
Killing! And then you, one ride also.
And Ghost.
Eh?
yeah,
Two rides where she didn't scream.
Look at Peanuts, how he smiles. He literally got it that it's a prank. You know what I'm saying? He just got it, it's a prank. How he smiles. He saw that it's a fake money, Peanuts. Peanuts saw it. Bro, just look at Peanuts, he's smiling. Look at Peanuts' reaction. Peanuts saw it, bro. That is a fake, bro.
3,000. When 3,000, you also went on all the rides and could see. Oh, yes, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I job 10 minutes too. Snacks. All of the rides 3,000.
5 rides.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Guys, do you see Peanuts' reaction? Let me play it back. Just look at Peanut's selection.
200. I just came like snacks. All of the rice.
Five rice. Oh, yeah.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. How many rides? You went on 2 rides. Yeah. No, like, hey, yo. 2, 1, 2,
51K lah.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Which was express and school.
Yeah, you're right.
51K.
1, 2. How much do you want? 6, 7, 8, 9.
My bad. Look at Peanuts, how he's looking the money and how he smiles, bro. He can tell that it's a fake, bro. Look at Peanuts' direction.
How much do you want? 6, 7, 8, 9. Kill it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ajuele. Eu sei na frente do filho. Frente do mundo. Bueno. Everybody got there. Also.
Kita 1K.
Peanuts is literally telling this boy. I'm not sure where he is. He's telling, look at Peanuts, he's talking to this boy that, hey yo, this money, it's a fake. It's a fake money. Just look at this.
Yeah. Everybody got there. Also.
Kita 1K.
Siya tayo 1K. So, pinangalo siya talo. Yeah? Okay, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like the video, hit the subscribe button, and then
Listen to this message. This is the heartbreaking thing. Listen to this.
Notification right next time I drop. Last but not least, the money is fake. It is. Since where the money is fake, the phone that's shooting is not fake.
View and opinion in this video and comments on this channel do not necessarily.
Did you see that? That's Ghost Hlubi. He's the YouTuber. He's the prankster. I beg guys. Just chocolate. That was the end of the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Road to 200 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? Please like if you haven't. Road to 200 subscribers. Without any further ado, we out.